So good morning, everyone. Let's start to discuss this part. Okay, determinant. If I have to define determinant in one word, so I'll define determinant is a number. Okay, it is a number. What is determinant, guys? Determinant is a number. Second thing, determinant always it is basically associated a number which is associated with a square matrix. So we can say that determinant it is a number. It is a number which is always associated with always associated with what? With a square matrix. Square matrix. And that is called as the determinant. The two things that you have to remember. The first thing, it is a number. The second thing, it is a number which is always associated with the square matrix. The very important, the square matrix. Now, it is represented as represented as in this type, two vertical column. Okay, two vertical column. If we talk about the matrices is basically described in the form of what? The square bracket, but it is basically represented in the two vertical column. Okay, let's consider consider a matrix, not any matrix. Consider a square matrix, square matrix A. Then determinant of matrix A is written as like this. Determinant of A, it is also written like this. This is not the modulus. Okay, determinant of A or delta. Okay, and specifically it is not modulus. It is not modulus. Okay, modulus of A. If we talk about the value of determinant can be positive. Value of determinant can be positive. Okay, positive can be positive or negative or zero. Positive, it can be positive, it can be negative, it can be zero. Now that's why it is not the written, it is not the modulus of A. Basically we know that if it will be the modulus of A, it means that क्यों क्या रहेगा? Positive रहेगा. But in this case, if we talk about in this case, determinant, this is pronounced as a determinant of A. That's why the value of this determinant of A can be positive, can be negative or zero. Clear with this? Mahek, are you following all this? Yes, is there any problem? Hello, am I audible? Sri, clear with everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Arjun?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Now, we will write down the difference between the determinant and matrix. Okay, just a second, please. So write on this side as a matrix. This side as what? Determinant. So we have the matrix and we have determinant. Now the first point, if I have to write on in the matrix, can we say that it is that we have to write on definition of the matrix? Basically, what is your definition of matrix? Definition of matrix, can anyone? It is a basically arrangement. Yes, it is basically arrangement of elements in rows and column for what if I have to define the definition of determinant? क्या हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे definition of determinant? Can anyone tell me? कोई बताओ, चलेगा, कुछ कोई बोलो. What is the definition of determinant? No one. कुछ देर पहले बताया था, वही definition आप यहाँ पे बोल सकते हो. Specifically, I have
associated with square matrix.
Yeah. So it is a number. It is a number which is associated with square matrix. Associated with the square matrix. The second, represented as this. Okay, what about here? Represented as this. Third, denoted by what? Determinant denoted by like this, denoted by the A, B, C. What about here? Denoted by determinant of matrix A, or determinant of matrix A, or like this. Fourth, valid for any types of matrices. What about here? Fourth point, valid for, guys, only, valid for only. Can anyone speak up, bacha? Then you will get
Square matrix.
Yeah.
Square matrix.
Exactly. The square matrix. It is valid only for square matrix. Okay, I want to do the copy of all this. Everyone, do the copy. So clear with the difference. What is the difference between matrices and determinant? Basically, दोनों आपको same दिखेगा, but it is not the same. So these are the difference. और भी बहुत सारा difference है. Okay, you can say the difference on the basis of the transformation पे भी आप बता सकते हो. Operation on the matrices, operation on the determinant totally अलग होता है. तो अब ये सारे चीज है. Now, if I talk about the basically determinant is valid for the किसके लिए valid है? Square matrix के लिए. So I'll take first type of square matrix is the what? The one by one matrix. Okay. I'll take the first type of matrix. That let's assume that we have the matrix A that is equal to the 4. What is the order of this matrix? Right on the heading here, determinant of, just a second, just I'll change this. The first point, the determinant of 1 cross 1 matrix. When suppose if you have a matrix A like this, -4, then what will be the determinant of A? Yes, guys, what will be the determinant of A? So if you have determinant, if you have to find out determinant of 1 cross 1 matrix, then determinant of that matrix will be the number which is associated with that matrix. The कौन सा number associated है यहाँ पे -4? The determinant of the matrix will be the -4. Got my concept here. The for 1 cross 1 matrix, determinant of the matrix will be the element of that. यहाँ पे मैं लिख भी देता हूँ कि for 1 cross 1 matrix, determinant of for 1 cross 1 matrix, determinant of what? Determinant of matrix will be equal to the number or element of the matrix, is equal to the element of the matrix. Now after that we have to calculate determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. Sir, why we are doing all this? Because these are the algebra, abstract algebra. Okay, थोड़ा सा advanced level का algebra होता है, and we will see the application of this also. In जब सब in the last जब आप आओगे ना तो आपको इनका application दिखेगा, and that time you realize कि हम लोग ये क्यों पढ़ रहे हैं, what is the reason behind this. तो this आप algebraic equation याद है, 3/3 का रहता था, a1x plus b1y plus c1z equal to d1 a2x plus, ऐसे 3 इक्वेशन है, 3 वेरिएबल है, तो आप नॉर्मल मेथड से सॉल्व करते थे, नॉर्मल याद है. But now you can solve with the help of matrices. With the help of matrices you can evaluate that equation, okay, or we can evaluate that variables. तो वो एक algebra basically algebra of the mathematics है, तो उसमें आप जो परफॉर्म वहां पे algebra में करते थे सेम परफॉर्म आप यहाँ पे भी कर सकते हो, ठीक है. So now well, suppose if we have to find out a determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix. Let's assume that you have the matrix A of 2 cross 2 like the A, B, and C and D. Matrix is always denoted by the capital letter, and if you want to write down the element of that matrix, that you have to take the word with the help of a small letter. The small letter के help से आपको यहाँ पे matrix को define करना होता है. So determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix कैसे आएगा बताओ. So if I have to calculate determinant of here, guys, look at it very carefully here. यहाँ पे जो आपको ध्यान देना है वो बहुत ज़्यादा important रहेगा. किस perspective से? क्योंकि this is the method. If you get the method, तो आपको कोई क्वेश्चन में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा, लेकिन मेथड यदि समझ में आएगा तो देन देयर विल बी दिस. आपको फर्स्ट यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई दिस इनटू दिस, ऑलवेज लाइक दिस इनटू दिस. सो इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस इनटू दिस, व्हाट यू विल गेट? द AD. देन यू हैव टू राइट ऑन द माइनस. Okay, this is the word, then minus. After that you have to multiply this into this. Minus means you just make a cross, okay, and the first multiply A and T, then take the minus, okay, then CB. Clear with this? So what is the determinant of 2 cross 2 कैसे निकालेंगे? Suppose if I give another example with the number like 1, 2, 4, 6. Can anyone tell me what will be the determinant of A? Yeah, what will be the determinant of A? कितना आएगा? -2. Why? Because we have to multiply here for 1 into 4, 6. So 1 into 6 minus 4 into 2. Now if you solve this, you will get 6 minus 8, and the answer for 6 minus 8 will be -2. Now suppose we have the B matrix, and like B matrix will be the suppose 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4, 3 and 5. Now tell me what will be the answer? What will be the answer here?
22.
25.
22 or 25? 22.
25.
22.
20.
Okay, so if you have to find out determinant of B, that will be the 2 into 5, the 10 minus. Okay, and specifically I mentioned this, the bracket here. Why? Because many times a student make a mistake here. यहाँ पे क्या करता हूँ, माइनस को भूल जाता है. Am I audible properly? Because my network is showing it is unbalanced. Am I audible properly?
Yes, now you.
Okay. Okay. So determinant of will be here 10 minus in the bracket 3 into -4 -12. So please write down like this. The first term minus and in the bracket. This is the way to write down. So आपका mistake नहीं होगा. फिर then determinant of B will be equal to 10 minus 1 is plus. So 10 plus 12, and it will be equal to what? 22. So clear with the 2 by 2 matrix? How to find out determinant of 2 by 2 matrix? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now third. determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. Before this, we'll talk about the sign of any element. Sign of any element. Like suppose if I have to define what will be the sign of any element, like what will be the sign of Aij? The sign of Aij will be described as -1 to the power I plus j. Sign of the element of the matrix is defined as what? कैसे define करते हैं? -1 to the power I plus j. Suppose if I have to define the sign of, what will be the sign? Si is sign of, okay, A11, तो क्या होगा? -1 to the power 1 plus 1. It will be equal to -1 to the power, yes guys, बोलो 2. It will be basically क्या आ रहा है? 1 means positive आ रहा है. Either you can take the minus to the power I plus j, or you can take -1 to the power I plus j. Doesn't matter that. Okay, if I ask you what will be the sign of A23, can anyone tell me what will be the sign of A23? Negative. So -2, either you can take the minus or you can take the -1 to the power 2 plus 3 means -1 to the power 5, and it will be equal to what? Negative. Clear? Now we'll proceed for the calculation of 3 cross 3 matrix. So suppose if you have matrix A, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. This is the matrix A, and you have to calculate the determinant of the A. Listen, you have to calculate the determinant of this matrix A. For calculating determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix, we have to use okay, expansion method. We have to use expansion method of any rows and any column, of any rows or any columns. So if you look at the matrix A, and if you want to calculate determinant of this matrix A, okay, so now you tell me how many expansion we can use here. कितने type expansion use कर सकते हैं? Because it is saying that we have to use expansion method of any rows. तो हम इसके about expansion कर सकते हैं, इसके about expansion कर सकते हैं, इसके about expansion means I can do the expansion along the x-axis, not x, sorry, the row 1, row 2, and row 3. Yes. Can we do the expansion about this column, the C1, about this column C2, about this column C3? Yes or no? So if you want to calculate the determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix, then we have to use the which method? Expansion method. This is a very important expansion method. But expansion method for the what? Any rows or any column, not with the diagonal. Okay. आप ऐसा नहीं diagonal के साथ में जाकर के आप expansion करना start कर रहे हैं. No, not like that. Okay. We have to do the expansion about the rows or about the any rows or any column. So can we say the total number of ways for the expansion कितना हो जाएगा? For the 3 by 3 matrix कितना होगा बोलो? Total number of ways for expansion in 3 cross 3 matrix, will be equal to, guys, कितना होगा? Can anyone? 6 ना? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes. Suppose if I talk about the 4 by 4 cross 4 matrix, कितना फिर होगा? 4 cross 4 matrix का में कितने total number of ways होंगे expansion करने का? Am I audible? 8. There will be 8. Here will be the 6. But most of the time, many book preferred, okay, the first row expansion. Okay, first row expansion. मतलब आप हमें most of the time हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Row first के about expansion करेंगे. Row first के about expansion करेंगे. Clear with this? किसके about expansion करना हमें? रो फर्स्ट के अबाउट एक्सपांशन करना है. Okay, and what is the method? What is the method to calculate? The first method is what? The first method, we have to calculate the determinant of the 3 cross 3 matrix. Okay, what we have to use? We have to use the what? Expansion method. The second thing, okay, second thing, for expanding about any element, for expanding about any element, then we have to left all the column or all the row and column elements which is associated with that element, okay. Means for expanding about any element, यदि किसी एक particular element के about expand कर रहे हो, ठीक है, तो for that you have to left all the rows and column element which is associated with that element, okay. अब इनका मतलब क्या है, मैं आपको यहाँ पे समझाने की कोशिश करता हूँ, यहाँ पे ध्यान दीजिए. Suppose you have a matrix A, okay, you have a matrix A that will be the basically कितना था आपका ABCD था, वही हम लोग follow करते हैं. The A, the B, C, D, E, F, G, H and I. Okay, and now you have to find out determinant of A. I'm taking the expansion about this row. Okay, first row के about expand कर रहा हूँ. तो first I'll take the A from here और उसके about expand करूँगा. जब इसके about expand करूँगा, I'm taking the okay, I'm expanding. Okay, the first row, about the first row और about the first row इस element के about expand कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं इसके सारे column के element और row के element को छोड़ दूंगा. तो बचेगा कितना? Then after that we will have the element E, F, H, I. तो मैं क्या करूंगा, इनको 2 by 2 के डिटरमिनेंट में कन्वर्ट कर दूंगा. That will be what? E, F, H, I. Clear? And we know that sign of this element is what? 1, 1 का साइन क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव. 1, 2 का साइन क्या होता है? नेगेटिव. और 1, 3 का साइन क्या होता है? पॉजिटिव. तो अगला वाला जो एलिमेंट को मैं एक्सपांड करूंगा, okay, that will be the minus V times. Okay, and I'm expanding now about this element, so I have to left this call all the element which is associated with the column and all the element which is associated with the what row. इस एलिमेंट के कॉलम्स के जितने भी एलिमेंट होंगे, रो के एलिमेंट होंगे, वो क्या होंगे? हट जाएगा. फिर क्या आएगा बताओ? Then we'll get D, F, G, I. Yes. After that, then plus C times of. Now you have to left this column and then the first row. Then you will get D, E, G, H. Any problem? And after that, you know how to solve this. 2 by 2 का तो सबको आता है calculate करना. Yes, everyone. You know how to solve the 2 by 2 matrix. Yes, everyone. 2 by 2 का था. 2 by 2 का आता है. Am I audible properly? क्योंकि मेरा नेटवर्क थोड़ा सा अनस्टेबल होता है. Okay. So now A times of कितना आ जाएगा? EI minus HF minus B times of DI minus GF plus C times of DH minus GE. So this is the determinant of the matrix A. Clear with this? This is the determinant of matrix A. Now I'll take one example with the help of the number. Like suppose we have to find out the determinant of this matrix 1, 0, 2, minus 3, 5, minus 2, 1, 1, minus 1. How can we calculate the determinant of A here? First I'll take this element, the 1, then I'll expand about this element. ये गया. Okay. तो क्या बन जाएगा यहाँ पे? This and this. Then I can write this is the 5, then minus 2, then 1 and minus 1. Then after that क्या हो जाएगा? Minus 0. Okay. But if you have the 0, the 0 times of anything is what? 0. Left this part. 0 का about there is no need to expand about the 0. इसके about 0 के about आपको expand करने की जरूरत भी नहीं है. Okay. तो अभी मैं यहाँ पे क्या करता हूँ, कोई एक नंबर ले लेता हूँ ताकि आपको वो चीज क्लियर हो जाएगा. Let's assume that here minus 3. So minus of minus 3 times कितना हो जाएगा, लेफ्ट दिस कॉलम एंड दिस रो, कितना हो जाएगा फिर, we'll get here -3 -2 1 -1, then +2 times of in the bracket this and this. After that we'll give here -3, then 5, then 1, then 1. Okay, now if I solve this, the determinant of a will be 1 times of the 1 into -5 -5 minus of 1 into -2 -2 -1 is +3 times of 3 into -3 into -1 -3 into -1 is 3 minus of -2 plus 2 times of -3 into 1 -3. Okay, minus 1 into 5 is the 5. Now if you solve this, we'll get here -5 plus 2 plus 3 times of 5 plus 2 times of -3 -5 -8. Yeah, so -5 -5 plus 2 -3 plus 15 minus 16. The answer will be equal to what? -4. Everyone clear with this? If you want to take a snap, then take the snap. Okay, but please try to recall all the point how to calculate the 3 by 3 matrix, determinant of 3 by 3 matrix. Because आपको पता होगा मल्टीप्लिकेशन के टाइम पे भी थोड़ा सा हम लोगों ने कंफ्यूजन आया था कि थोड़ा कैसे किया जाए, मेथड क्या रहेगा. आप लोगों ने मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ द 2 मैट्रिसेस सीख लिया. एग्जैक्टली ऑन द सेम मैनर आप ये भी सीख जाओगे, इसके लिए टेंशन नहीं लेना है आपको. आप थोड़ा सा प्रोसीजर जो है, स्टेप्स जो है उसको आप फॉलो कीजिए. क्लियर विद दिस? Let me know, guys. Now look at this question. Evaluate the determinant in the exercise 1 and 2. ये जो आपका एक्सरसाइज है 4.1, आप इसमें देख सकते हैं. पहले वाले में कोई जरूरत नहीं है, सेकंड वाले में भी. What will the answer for this, the second one? क्या आएगा?
1.
If you calculate the determinant of this, it will be basically equal to the cos into cos, that is cos square theta, the minus of sin into sin, sin into minus sin, minus sin square theta. So we'll get here cos square theta minus into minus plus sin square theta. Okay. Now we have to here prove that if a equal to this, then so that determinant of 2a equal to the 4 times of determinant of a, equal to what? 4 times of determinant of a. Now, so we'll prove this property. There is one property that we have to talk about. It is given here or not? Just let me check first. But I'll prove that property, so don't worry about it. Write on the first property. Let's assume that suppose we have the determinant matrix A equal to 1 2 4 3, 1 2 4 3. Then what will be the 2a? What will be the 2a, guys? 2a कितना हो जाएगा?
4, 8, 6.
2 4 8 6. 2 4 8 6. Now if I have to calculate determinant of this part, determinant of a, that will be equal to कितना आ जाएगा? The 3 minus 8, 3 minus 8 is -5. Now if I have to calculate determinant of 2a, that will be equal to
12 minus
20
32
okay.
minus
So this is 12
minus
minus
20.
32, that will be equal to -20. Okay, if I want to write on that -20, can I write on in terms of this? Can I write on this is the 4 into -5? So determinant of 2a will be equal to basically 4 into -5. -5 is what? -5 was the determinant of a. Yes or no? Hello. So can we say that here this is 4 is 2a square into determinant of a? Yes, means we have the 2a here. the determinant of 2a equal to 2a square into determinant of a. So can we say that if I have to take the determinant the some constant into a, that will be equal to what? ये 2 क्या है? अच्छा, अभी रहने देते हैं, इतना आप समझने की कोशिश कीजिए। यहाँ पे हमने ये कैसे प्रूव किया for a,